Hi guys, welcome to another video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut, trim and rip or delete your video using ActivePresenter 9. And being mentioned that this is a free program. If you want to try it, go ahead to the link in the description. And don't forget to use my 10% discount coupon code to save your money. Alright. Okay, and let's open the software. And be mentioned that I'm currently using Windows 10 to edit video. By the way, it is available for both Windows and Mac OS. So first thing, we want to create a blank project, and then we want to delete this title. And then we want to import our video. For this example, I'm going to use one of my video shoot with my Canon 800D. Okay, and now my videos is on the timeline. Okay, so this is the first option to cut your video. For example, I can select the video here on the timeline. And then I have this button, the split audio video objects button. So all we need to do to click this button, and then we can delete the first part we don't want to use in our video. Okay, so select it and then hit the delete button. Now we can move the video to the left. Okay, it's nice, right? The next function is to trim the video. Actually, it works the same way with other video editor. All you need to do is to select the video on the timeline and then click at the edge of the video, and then you can move it to the left to shorten the duration of the video or trim the video. Okay, and what if you just want to delete a section of your video? Now you need to use the rip or delete function. So in ActivePresenter, there is a handle tool here. You can just click at the edge of the handle tools to select. You can click at this yellow button also and just move it to the section that you want to delete. And now you select it, and then you want to click this button, delete range, to rip or delete it. Okay, so this is how to rip or delete the video. It is easy, right? That's simple, right? And if you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and if you want to watch more tutorials, just click at the end screen button. Goodbye and see you again.